When it comes to increasing the value of your home in Brandon, Florida, many homeowners overlook the impact of upgrading their windows. However, replacing old, inefficient windows with modern, energy-efficient models can provide a significant return on investment, ROI, and enhance both the aesthetic appeal and functionality of your home. Whether you're planning to sell your property soon or simply want to increase its value for the long term, window replacement is a smart move that offers a variety of benefits. Boost curb appeal. First impressions matter, especially when you're trying to increase the value of your home. The exterior of your property is the first thing potential buyers or guests will notice, and old, worn-out windows can make your home look dated and unattractive. By installing new, high-quality windows, you can instantly give your home a fresh, modern look that increases curb appeal. Whether you choose sleek, contemporary windows or classic designs that match the architectural style of your home, new windows can make a dramatic difference in how your home is perceived from the street. In addition to giving your home a facelift, replacing windows with energy-efficient models that feature low-profile frames and large glass panes can allow more natural light into your home, making it look brighter and more inviting. Energy efficiency and lower utility bills. One of the most significant advantages of window replacement is improved energy efficiency. Older windows, especially those with single-pane glass or poor-quality seals, can let in drafts and allow conditioned air to escape, causing your HVAC system to work harder and raising your utility bills. In Florida, where the summers are hot and humid, this is particularly important for reducing the costs associated with air conditioning. Modern windows, such as double or triple pane windows with gas fills and low-E coatings, offer excellent insulation, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. As a result, your home will be more energy efficient, reducing your carbon footprint and saving you money on utility bills. Homebuyers today are increasingly focused on energy efficiency, and they'll see the value in a home that can offer lower utility costs. Increased property value and ROI. If you're considering selling your Brandon home, window replacement can significantly increase its market value. Potential buyers are willing to pay more for homes that feature modern, energy-efficient windows because they know they won't need to replace them for years to come. According to Remodeling Magazine's annual cost versus value report, homeowners can expect to recoup a significant percentage of the cost of window replacement when selling their home, sometimes up to 70% or more, depending on the quality of the windows and the local market. Additionally, window replacement can help your home stand out in a competitive real estate market. Homes with old or outdated windows may be overlooked by buyers who are concerned about the cost of future repairs or replacements. In contrast, homes with new windows are often seen as more modern, well-maintained, and energy efficient, which makes them more appealing and likely to sell faster. Improved comfort and noise reduction. New windows not only enhance your home's appearance and energy efficiency, but they also improve comfort. If your current windows are drafty, you may notice temperature fluctuations in different rooms, which can make your home feel less comfortable. New windows can provide better insulation, maintaining a more consistent temperature throughout your home. Additionally, if you live in a busy area or near a major road in Brandon, you may experience unwanted outside noise. Modern windows, especially those with double or triple panes, offer superior sound insulation, allowing you to enjoy a quieter and more peaceful living environment. This added comfort can make your home more desirable to potential buyers, particularly those who are sensitive to noise. Enhanced safety and security. Older windows may be more susceptible to breakage, and their hardware may no longer function as smoothly or securely as it should. Modern windows come with advanced locking mechanisms and impact-resistant glass options that can enhance the safety and security of your home. If you live in a neighborhood with higher crime rates or are just looking to improve your peace of mind, upgrading your windows can make a significant difference in protecting your property and loved ones. Low maintenance and longevity. New windows are designed to be more durable and easier to maintain than older models. Many modern windows come with features such as vinyl frames that don't require regular painting or staining, making them much lower maintenance. Additionally, they are built to last for many years, so you won't have to worry about replacing them again anytime soon. In conclusion, window replacement is one of the most cost-effective ways to increase your Brandon home's value. It enhances curb appeal, boosts energy efficiency, improves comfort, and provides long-term savings. Whether you're planning to sell your home or just want to make it a more enjoyable place to live, investing in new windows can yield significant benefits for both your wallet and your home's overall value.